Starting around 23 October 2023, Velo is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally significant manner. Velo in every practical sense has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $18,102,671 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in an unpretentious manner. This explicitly makes Velo extremely positioning at 593 in the digital currency market in an especially enormous manner. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo certainly be worth in 2023, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Velo a for the most part wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially huge manner? Will Velo cost fundamentally outperform its untouched high, which certainly is genuinely critical? These by and large are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.003. The normal least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Velo can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.003, which generally is very huge. Velo value conjecture August 2023, the genuinely normal cost of Velo could fundamentally go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.003 with the sort of least expected cost of $0.002, or so they generally thought. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly is gauged to generally be at around a really least worth of $0.003. Pretty further appearance how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Velo sort of be worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. The Velo value worth can fundamentally arrive at a really limit of $0.003 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Velo value figure October 2023, the normal cost of Velo could essentially go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023 in a huge manner. Velo could sort of exchange around a most extreme worth of $0.003 with the sort of least expected cost of $0.003, or so they essentially thought. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Velo could explicitly stretch around $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every way that really matters is $0.003 with an especially normal cost of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 really is $0.003 with a kind of typical cost of $0.003 in every practical sense, large way. Velo's sort of past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto truly has been diminished by 1.94% in its by and large current worth, showing that moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 basically is $0.003 with an all things considered normal cost of $0.003, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Assuming we basically look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Velo in every way that really matters was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Velo fundamentally has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late And this could be somewhat great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute in every way that really matters. Further appearance how from certainly most recent 7 days, the Velo sort of was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, which for the most part is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo certainly diminished by 61.745%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.004 from its by and large current worth, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a very decent for the most part purchase an open door for kind of fast speculation, which generally shows that from most recent 7 days, the Velo basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 13.96%, and the cost commonly coursed from a really least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to genuinely greatest extremely normal cost of $0.003 in every practical sense, recent days, exhibiting that this unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time. Implying that it can fundamentally be in every way that really matters, great basically purchase a valuable open door for especially fast speculation, which in a real sense shows that from most recent 7 days, the Velo especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45% in an unobtrusive manner. In sort of most recent 4 months Velo has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, sort of additional appearance how Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the very greatest cost for Velo could stretch around $0.003, which really is very huge. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo generally is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that for the most part is Velo a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of large manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, so Velo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the really greatest cost for Velo could explicitly stretch around $0.003 in an especially large manner. The coin in a real sense is up by 12.92%, with the kind of greatest certainly normal cost of the coin truly was around $0.002, and the truly least by and large normal cost of really was around $0.002, in especially beyond 4 months, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value figure 2023 facts what will basically be Velo really worth in 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Velo cost truly is gauged to arrive at a very most extreme degree of 0.0